Saints of God, O holy witness, lights that guide us on our way. Through your lives the Lord was honored, in his love you chose to stay. Now you stand before his presence, robed in white and crowned with grace, lifting prayers for all God's people, calling us to seek his face. From the cross Christ spoke with mercy. See a mother take her hand, and to Mary see your children, lead them to the promised land. Through the saints his love still reaches, through their prayers his grace is known, not to steal the Father's glory, but to make his greatness shown. Asking prayers from friends and family binds us in the Father's care, and the saints who dwell in heaven lift up burdens in their prayer. For the Lamb alone is worthy, he who saves and makes us new. Yet his love is seen in others, faithful hearts both good and true. Lord, we walk the path before us, through the trials, through the strife, with the saints to guide and keep us, pointing to the Lord of life. May we join their song unending at the throne where angels sing, giving praise to God our Father and to Christ our risen King.